So Bulletproof coffee is coffee that's made with Arabia beans that have been grown in the highlands. That's basically up in the mountains, and wet processed. That's the important bit. So I put my 1 teaspoon of Bulletproof coffee in there. I'm also going to put 1 teaspoon of organic raw cacao powder. So that I'm doing that here as well because I like my coffee to have a chocolatey taste. So I've done that, and then I'm also putting in, because I love this stuff, cinnamon. Cinnamon is a great sugar replacer, so you don't have to put sugar in. So I put about half a teaspoon. You don't need that much of cinnamon. This is true cinnamon, which is the from Sri Lanka. I'm also putting in, this is ghee. I've made this ghee myself. So this ghee was made from unpasteurised butter, which I got from Waitrose. Waitrose is the only supermarket at the moment that does unpasteurised butter. So I'm going to put a teaspoon, put as much as you want. And now I've also got, this is from Tesco's, this is organic virgin coconut oil. So I'm going to put a teaspoon of that in there as well. There we go. So now I'm going to whisk this using the whisker. So here we go. So, and now let's see how it tastes. It's very thick. It looks very chocolatey. Smells very chocolatey. Now that will keep me going for the whole day. Thank you.